In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage e-learning projects with Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing various aspects of project management, and it can truly streamline your workflow, especially when dealing with e-learning projects. Whether you're working on developing courses, scripts, or videos, Trello offers a visual and flexible way to keep everything in check. So let's dive in and get you started on managing your e-learning projects more effectively. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Trello workspace. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Trello website. Once you're there, log in if you haven't already. Your workspace is the central hub where all your boards reside, so having easy access to it is crucial. Now that you're in your Trello workspace, the next step is to select your board. If you've already got a board set up for your project, click on it from the list of available boards. This will give you an overview of everything you're currently working on. If you haven't created a board yet for your e-learning project, don't worry, we'll get to that in a moment. For those who are starting from scratch, creating a Kanban board is a game changer for tracking course development. The Kanban method allows you to organize tasks using cards, which can represent anything from modules, scripts, to video production stages. Start by creating a new board if you need to, and give it a name that reflects your project, something like e-learning course development. Once your board is set, it's time to set up the structure. Typically, you'll want to create lists that represent different stages of your workflow. Common lists include to-do, in progress, and QA or quality assurance. Within these lists, you'll add cards for each task or component of your e-learning project. For example, you might have cards for writing scripts, recording videos, or even for reviewing content. As tasks progress, simply drag and drop the cards from one list to the next. This visual movement of tasks not only keeps you organized, but also provides a clear view of where each task stands in the project timeline. It's a great way to ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Remember, Trello also allows for collaboration. You can invite team members to join your board, assign tasks to them, and even add due dates or checklists to each card. This collaborative feature is particularly useful if you're working in a team, as everyone can stay updated and contribute to the project seamlessly. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effectively manage your e-learning projects using Trello. It's all about organizing your tasks and visually tracking their progress, which ultimately leads to a more efficient and successful project outcome. Happy project managing!